In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to make money during a quarantine. That's how to make money online during a quarantine, and using YouTube and Clickbank as was discussed in the last video. And if you stay to the very end, I'm going to be giving you a free method of how you can collect email addresses along in the process so that you not only promote a product and get paid, but also build up your own email addresses so that you can sell more products, whether that's more affiliate products, more Clickbank products, or more of your own products. And if you like this video, make sure that you smash the like button, the subscribe button, and the notifications bell, and subscribe to the channel. So to start off, the first step is to go to YouTube and find out what sort of searches or what sorts of things people are typing into the search bar so that you can find out what people are looking for. So if you can see here, I've gone to YouTube and I've typed this search: how to do home exercise in quarantine, because obviously at the moment that's a very topical search. So when I type this into the search bar, it comes up with all these videos. And for those of you who are interested, this is a free Chrome extension called vidIQ. So if you go to Google and you search for vidIQ, it will give you all this information which you otherwise wouldn't have. And you can see all the statistics of the searches and what people are looking for and how many searches have been executed. So this is the top search: home quarantine workout routine. And if you click on the video, it will bring up this video and it will bring up this vidIQ scorecard. So this is vidIQ is a free extension, and you can go to vidIQ and download that for free, and it will give you all this information on a particular video. So you can see here that this video has got 27, almost 27 views per hour. They call it VPH, and it's had 59,500 views. And so you can see that this has already had a lot of views, and so this is the video is playing now, and it will give you it will show you this video. So that's step number one. Really find a video that's getting a good amount of views, having a good amount of searches, and currently being viewed per every hour. So therefore it's a trending video. So that's step one. Then step number two is to go to Clickbank and find a Clickbank product to promote. And so you can get a free Clickbank account just by going to the Clickbank website. Once again, go to Google and punch in Clickbank, and it will give you the Clickbank page. Sign up for a free account, and I've put in home exercise. So you can see this comes up with all these various searches, and I found the ultimate pull-up program in this search. And so if you go to the ultimate pull-up program, and this is the page, what they call the sales page. So this is the page that's going to be selling the product and the Clickbank product. So if you have a look at this URL, ultimatepullups.com, I'll show you a very fast way to produce a YouTube video so that you can promote this product. So if you go to ultimatepullups.com, if you take this URL, now if you go to and sign up for a free account with Lumen 5, lumen5.com, that's the website. And if you take the URL of the Ultimate Pull-Ups, go back to Lumen 5. Now, you want to create a video. This will literally create your video it's a literal copy and paste process. And it'll literally take seconds to produce your video for you. So you can turn the content into a video. You simply just paste the URL into this, and obviously you don't want to use all of the content on the page, but so if we want to produce a YouTube video, so you scroll down here, you select YouTube. Now we want to select a lively, choose a theme. So maybe let's choose a lively theme and give it a little bit of time to process. And takes a little bit of time, but sometimes it takes a little bit longer because there's more information on the page. So it's pulled all the information and the text from the page, some of the diagrams too, and so you can see that it's produced all these slides on the right hand side for you, and it's literally picking up all this media and putting it into slide format. And obviously you don't want to, as I said, you don't want to just copy all the the same text, because you can actually edit some of this, and so you can just edit this text, and so then once you've got all the slides pulled up, then you can add music. So you can literally just take this music, like this is royalty-free music, so it's free to use. You can also preview the slide and how that works. You can preview more slides, how it looks there, and so it'll give you So you can continue to add more slides. For example, if you wanted to put more text in or more slides, you could simply just click on that section and it'll make a new slide for you. You wanted to make a new slide for that, it'll give you another, make you another slide. So once that's all done, you can simply click publish, and that will create the video for you, and then you can download the video. So this video is public, and once that's done, you can download. Once that's completed, you'll be able to download the video and edit it if you want. You can even preview it here. That's pretty cool. And so now that you've got the video, then you can upload that to YouTube. And the things in the video that really are going to matter, because once you create a video, what a lot of people don't know is that the video needs to be found. And like any search engine, YouTube is a search engine, just like Google or any other website. So things like the title here, like Home Quarantine Workout Routine 2020, that's going to be that's the title. So you need to optimize for that. Let me just turn that off. And you need to optimize the title. You need to optimize the tags, what we call video tags. Now, vidIQ will give you all these tags, I think, in the paid version. So it's only like $10 a month. So you'll need to optimize titles, tags, and description. The description and the description is this part down here. So there's a description about the video. And you'll need to do a thumbnail. So if you just go to canva.com, and if you search for YouTube thumbnail, there are a whole lot of templates that you can just customize. So if you wanted to change the text, this is a YouTube video, then you can simply just download that, upload that to YouTube, and because you really want a thumbnail in which it's going to capture people's interests. And then, so you've gone to Clickbank, you've found a product, you click on this promote button, it'll give you a Clickbank link, which you can put in the YouTube description so that when people click on that affiliate link, it will direct them to the product, and if people buy the product, then that the sale or purchase will be tracked back to you and you will receive a commission for it. So in this case, you would receive on average $41 per sale, which is not bad because you only need to then sell 2 or 3 and you've made $100 or $120. If you can sell 3 products in a day, that'll give you $120 per day, which is not bad for a day once you've done the work, and that just continues to pay you over and over again. So in order to collect email addresses, as I said at the start of the video, I promised you a free way in which you can collect email addresses. You can go to MailChimp and sign up for a free account, and it will give you the ability to make what we call landing pages. So a landing page is simply, I'm sure all of you have seen pages on the internet where people can put their email addresses, and then you continue to get sent emails. So if you go to landing pages, This is just a demo account. You go to create a landing page within MailChimp, and let's just put test, and then let's select a template. I like the lead generation template, and you can customize this template, say to say a free, no, let's put home exercise workout in the comfort of your own home. So that's the template. It'll give you a picture. You could change the picture if you wanted to, and then it'll give you the email address. You can, the place where people can put their email address, and then the subscribe button, and then you just click save and close, and click save and close. You can add a page title. You can put test. You can add a URL. Let's just use the MailChimp URL. Let's put test. Save. Oh, looks like it's already been used. So let's just put authentic marketing. Save. And publish. So that's the URL. This is the URL. You can take this URL, you can put it in the description of your YouTube video, so that, and then you set up an email to go out to the people who sign up to get this offer. Sorry, this offer. So your affiliate link can go into the email. So there you have it. That's one way of using YouTube and Clickbank to make money online during a quarantine. So step one is to find out what people are searching for on YouTube. Do a YouTube search. Step two is to go to Clickbank and find a product to promote that's appropriate. Then step three is to produce the video using Lumen 5 or a similar type software, but that's a very quick and easy way to produce a video. Then step four is to optimize the video, your video, for titles, tags, descriptions, and thumbnail. The thumbnail which you can produce with Canva using a free account. And step five is to create a free landing page with MailChimp, and then they can punch in their email address and you can send them the Clickbank offer, and also send them other offers. And I'm going to leave in the description below this video, I'm going to leave a link for some more Clickbank training if you're interested. As I said, would love to hear what you think about this video in the comments section below. Remember to smash the like button, the subscribe button, the notifications bell, and we will see you in the next video.